Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share some easy morning meal prep ideas for school or work on those busy mornings. First, I'm starting off with a full package of breakfast sausages. While these are cooking, I'm going to start making some pancakes. These are always popular with the kids and is currently Gideon's favorite. Time to flip. Now I'm transferring everything to plates. Next, I'm making scrambled eggs. I'll be using about a dozen. Then for those nice fluffy eggs, you want to be sure to add 2 tablespoons of water, whisk until frothy, and consistently stir your eggs. Then add a little bit of salt and cracked pepper.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away.
Now it's time to store everything in Tupperware. This will make it easy to just take out and heat up or take on the go.
Until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. My windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way.
Next, I'm making some banana zucchini bread. This recipe is so delicious and healthy. The zucchini makes it really moist and you can't even taste it.
And I will try to fix what has been broken and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. The darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way.
I use 1/2 of a zucchini and chop them up fairly small to make sure they're evenly spread out, or another option is to grate it. Then I pour it into a buttered loaf pan. Last, I add some chopped walnuts and pecans.
Look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday is gone.
While this bakes, Yuri's going to make lemon muffins. This girl loves everything lemon.
I can promise you're the only thing I see.
I love these moments with her.
Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk.
And this is how the banana bread turned out. Now I'm working on the muffin icing with 2 cups of powdered sugar, about a cup of milk, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and half or a whole lemon.
Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
And this is how they turned out. And what are cupcakes or muffins if you can't blow out candles on them, right? Then I'll just pack the rest of them away.
Standing underneath the lights.
Good job.
Look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can
Next,
see.
I'm working on yogurt parfait, so I'm chopping up some strawberries and I'll just layer them in yogurt with blueberries. It's simple and our favorite fruit to have in parfaits. Then I like to make a couple of tiny ones for kids' snacks. Last, I'll make some overnight oats with whatever we have on hand. One of my favorites is peanut butter. PB2 is easier to mix. with almond milk that I can top with chocolate chips or bananas morning of, and that's it.
Alright guys, that was it for this video. Don't forget to like it if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe down below for future videos and turn on the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye! Say bye!
Bye.